How to manage show user profile icon on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage show user profile icon on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click this one more, these 3 points here to go to settings, and now click meeting, and then go down and you will find this one here, show user profile icon next to in meeting chat messages. Just click here if you want to turn it off, and click here again if you want to turn it on. That's it. That's how manage show user profile icon on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.